All right, it's now time to go over how to use a muscle percussion tool over your pectoralis muscles. So the muscle percussion tool I'm using, it looks just like this. It does have 3 speeds, and I am using the round ball attachment. So the pec muscles that we're targeting are found right over the front portion of the pecs, or of the chest here. So they come from the front of the shoulder and they just sit right in front here. We're gonna be targeting a lot of that portion in this corner here. Granted, you can come all the way down into the pec muscle that goes from the midline sternum here, goes underneath the nipple line, and then comes back up. So it's this big square through here. You can use the tool there if you desire. However, most of the time we tend to focus right here in that pectoralis minor region and a little bit of the pecs, because when they become overactive or where they can be tight because of our movement patterns that we choose to use, sometimes we can get those tight muscles in the front and they tend to roll us forward. So it can be a culprit into making things difficult as you pull your shoulder blades back. So we're going to use the muscle percussion tool to assist in reducing the sensitivity in that area. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on. So because I'm working on the right side here, I'm going to use my left hand to perform the technique. And what we're going to do is we're going to start here in the corner and just work along underneath our collarbone and then work right down in towards the front of the shoulder. And I'm kind of just doing this L shape or 7 shape and just kind of working along that area. I'm going slow, controlled motions. I'm not applying a lot of pressure. I'm really just using the weight of the tool against my skin. As I've done this for a few times, then I can start venturing down in towards the center of the pec. And then I just kind of work down in this way. Nice, slow, and controlled. As this becomes a little less sensitive for you, then what you can do is you can pull your shoulder blades back and then target that area again. Just working along that muscle. Just like that. So that is how we use a muscle percussion tool on the pec muscles to help reduce some of the sensitivity and then allow you to do a little bit more of the stretching onto that region, which should in turn make it a little easier for you to readjust and reset your scapular or shoulder blade position. So hope that was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.